Sauce goes great on any of our barbecue. There's a complexity that goes well with chicken wings, ribs, any of our proteins, it's perfect on it. People are loving it. So we start with onions, jalapeno peppers, habanero peppers, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, and we sweat those down in a little bit of oil. Then we hit it with the spices of allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and we bloom that in the peppers like a sofrito. We're deepening those spices with the onions and garlics and the aromatics. Then we deglaze with vinegar, soy, and a little bit of water with brown sugar to tie it up. We bring that up to a boil. Finish it with our mother sauce, our base barbecue sauce. And we just bring that up to a boil, let it simmer for a little bit, put it through a strainer, so we get a very smooth sauce, and then taste it and then correct it. If it needs a little more heat, a little more sweet, now's the time to make your corrections. I like to finish it with a little bit of fresh lime.